Students, now let us continue the example which we have taken and implement the TM policy in it. So I'm using the same example of AAC appliances. If you can recall that let's say for implementing, they implemented the TM policy for periodic review system. So we would be looking at it. So every 3 weeks, AAC receives delivery of different products from Citron. Lead time is 8 days for ordering Citron juices. So AAC is now receiving its juicers inventory and finds 210 in stock. How many juicers should AAC order for a safety stock of 30 juicers? So this is the actual question for it. And they have 210 stock in hand. So review period would be, just change it into the years. So you have 3 weeks, 3 divided by 52, which is the whole year's peak. It comes out to be 0.05769 years. So lead time, change it into the years as well. You have a lead time of 8 days. So 8 divided by 260 working days. These are the working days for which AAC actually works during the whole year. So it comes out to be 0.03077 years. Demand, if you can recall in that example, the demand for the year was 6240 juicers. Safety stock was, which is actually given here in the data, that is 30 juicers. So inventory position, the current stock in hand with AAC is 210 juicers. So review period demand would be, TD will be equal to, according to the formula, it would be equal to 360 juicers. And what about M? M expression is with you. So when you calculate it, it comes out to be 390 juicers. And then you calculate Q on the basis of that M and inventory position I, it comes out to be 372 juicers. So if AAC is actually implementing the TM policy, the Q should be 372 for this specific interval, because your stock in hand would change. And if your stock in hand would change, Q will change as well, even in this periodic inventory policy. If you see this figure, you can see the inventory position, the order level, and the reorder point. And reorder point, if you can see the eyes, why it is represented by eyes, why it is represented by eyes, because it is only open, or you only look at the inventory level when it is the defined review period time. You are not continuously monitoring it. It is only monitored, if you can see in the figure, there are 2 review points given, for instance. So here you need to monitor it, you need to look at it. Otherwise you do not need to look at it. This is the review time. So the replenishment levels are given. If you notice it, Q plus I is designed to satisfy the demand within an interval of T plus L during the time horizon where your demand occurs, plus the lead time as well. So when you say it is also for the lead time, that means you need to obtain the replenishment levels and add safety stock to inventory position. So it would be Q plus I plus SS, because you are actually looking at the whole horizon. Whole horizon means horizon in which you will have some demand plus the lead time demand as well. So safety stock would be added into it, because it could be uncertain because of your logistical activity, if you can recall, or because of the market uncertainty. So TM policy, we have seen the implementation of TM policy when you are using a periodic review system. And we see that even safety stock becomes a part of it, because you are actually planning for the whole horizon, not only for the whole horizon T, but also for the lead time. Thank you.